Hi there, I'm Heather with WTI.
You might think that silk is, just for fancy sheets or lingerie, but this Cuddle Dreams silk throw blanket will totally prove you wrong. It's so soft and cozy. You'll want to curl up with it all night long. Seriously, movie nights will not be the same. As you can see here, this little guy agrees. It's this good. The design is super versatile too. It fits with any decor, living room, bedroom, wherever you put it, it adds extra beauty. It's basically the throw version of the little black dress. It's classic, it's stylish, and this taupe color never goes out of fashion. The best part about this is that I finally have the perfect gift to send to my loved ones. It's like getting a warm hug in the mail. This throw is surprisingly warm too. It's got that silky smooth exterior, so nice to the touch, but it also has cotton, so it adds a little warmth without feeling like you're wrapped in a woolly mammoth. Perfect for sipping your morning coffee or chilling by the fire when you just don't want anything bulky. And if you're worried it's not going to cover you enough, don't worry. Honestly, I'm not small and I'm perfectly cozy with it just like this. So if you're after comfort, style, and a touch of luxury too, this throw is an absolute must-have. That's my point of view.